Kibabon ki parti kila Shongshit bhamanta Jingjied iki Kyrtong nakabenta ki election MDC Hagaro Hills Autonomous District Council kabala khmi lenti bakan long ha ki benai rempang ni leber jong usnam banwan. Nakalyang working president kan National People's Party u Marcus Marak ulayathu baka parti kalaya chakmat Jingjied kham kloy no yaki Kyrtong knang bakin la pan Sdang no yakajinge lap election. Ulayathu bahadin bakilayo pediang yaka thup Kyrtong ke bapura kin sapha shaka state committee bat shaka national committee ban yo yakajing menjur da kajing thumu ban pendap yakani ka kambaro hapo katayo ka baar jong ubenai no pra.
For Ghadc elections, we have not started the campaign as such. The process for selecting the candidate is still on. In my first notification as an election committee for NPP, we had given the date for 14th November as last date for submission. But so many requests came in, and after hearing them, I have extended the time of last date of submission for party sponsorship is now November 30th. So only after that we'll be able to update anything. And based on the applications constituency wise, we'll be having a series of meeting in the election committee. Election committee will be consulting the district committees and to the block committees as well. We should be able to complete the process by second week of December. Government has also done so many things for the district councils. As you are aware, the issues which were, disturbing functioning of the district councils were resolved very recently by Honorable Chief Minister by announcing and also by constituting a committees and subcommittees, and through them everything has been resolved, and now the functioning of the district council has resumed, and then payment also has already started. Very recently, when Honorable Chief Minister was there in Garo Hills, the employees went to Honorable Chief Minister and they have expressed their gratitude to Honorable Chief Minister for releasing 1 year's salary and also the monthly salary of November.